never spare, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
What's going on, everybody? So today we're gonna be doing another on feet look, the first on feet look of 2025. Man, happy New Year's to each and every one of you guys who mess with your boy, who is watching this video. I appreciate you guys. If you are not subscribed to the channel, maybe think about go ahead and doing that by hitting that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop any videos. Today, if you are watching this, you're going to be getting a detailed on feet look. The whole video will be on feet. We're going to talk about sizing. We're going to talk about comfortability. And then we're going to give this sneaker an overall rating aesthetically from my perspective, man. So I would greatly appreciate that if you hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. Scroll through some of the past videos and check out. I have a lot of on feet reviews of a lot of sneakers that you guys might be considering buying. And yeah, maybe it'll help you out as you think about that purchasing process. Now, today we have a collab, which was the last SB collab of 2024. This is a sneaker. I've done a detailed review of them already, unboxing. If you want to see the box and everything, make sure you check out that video. But this is a sneaker that I'm not going to say flew under a lot of people's radar, but a lot of people decided to not cop it. They decided to sleep on it because they wasn't too fond of it for whatever reason. Maybe it's just too much going on. But nonetheless, this is a sneaker that I feel like in hand, you got to get these sneakers in hand. You will absolutely fall in love with it. Now, as we take a look at the exterior of the left sneaker, you have the standard SB Dunk Low silhouette. You have the red Nike swoosh right there. And then this vinyl material, it's kind of like a sweatsuit. This all peels away. As you guys can see on the screen, this is what the sneaker looks like peeled, completely distressed. This is what the sneaker looked like. But as you guys can see right here, it is that floor material from the Wizard of Oz scene where they're in the field and they all fall asleep within the poppies. There you go right there. This is the whole concept of this sneaker from that movie Wizard of Oz, the iconic movie. But it's going all the way around the sneaker, even on the outsole. And then on the back end, they hit us with that "There is no place like home" in the font on the back end of the sneaker, as you guys can see right there. And it is visible on both sneakers. And then on the bottom, of course, they hit us with that red translucent bottom. Going all the way around to the right sneaker is going to be the exact same thing. Only one set of laces in these, which I was kind of shocked. I thought they was going to hit us with some yellow or maybe green, but only one pair of laces when it comes to these SBs, and it's going to be the red rope laces right there. On the tongue, you have a satin tongue, and it says Wizard of Oz in yellow or gold on that tongue, going all the way down into that material as well. Inner side of the sneaker, you got the exact same thing. Nike on the back end of them. Super clean sneaker in my opinion. And when it comes to sizing, I'm going to stick what I always say. I go a half a size up on my SBs just because the tongue is a little bit thicker than your standard dunks. So going a half a size up seems to be the right deal for me, myself. But if you are more prone to a more snugger fit, I'm gonna say true to size, you'll definitely be fine going true to size when it comes to these things. As far as the comfortability on them, they're SB. All SBs are about the same. I'm gonna say about a 7.5 to an 8. So we're just gonna give this thing an 8. So definitely not a bad sneaker. Comfortability wise, definitely does the part. And overall, aesthetically, I'm going to give this sneaker a 7 out of 10, just because this is not the most wearable sneaker at all. This is going to be something that you're going to have to try to pull off, especially if you are trying to wear this a lot. Just a lot going on this sneaker, and that's probably my only gripe when it comes to it. But it is extremely well executed when it comes to the theme of the Wizard of Oz and what Nike was trying to portray in this sneaker. But y'all comment down below and let me know, is this a sneaker that you guys are going for? What are your thoughts and opinions? Did you get for retail? If you didn't, they are very affordable. Is this something that you guys are going to be reaching back later? Would you peel the fabric off? Would you leave it on? It's just a lot of stuff to ask you guys. Please feel free to comment and I would definitely respond back. But that's all I got. Again, Happy New Year to you guys. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, are just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs in New York.